Disclaimer, this video was filmed around the same time last year, so it was a while ago. That's just how behind I am. So some of these items may not be available anymore. Brand new video. I'm here to block film a bunch of unboxing videos and reveal videos. I'm not sure when I'll be pushing these out, but I thought I'd share this with you because some of these items are still in store. So I have, if you know, you know. This is, so one of my friends on here, she also is a subscriber to the channel, sent me a care package from Calgary, and I've talked about this before. So we have a dollar store in Canada called Dollarama. I love Dollarama. There is so much that you can get there. They've called it Dollarama Plus because everything used to be $1, but over the past couple of years they've now started to bring in items that are $1 and up, even up to $4. Okay, so but you can get a lot of great neat things there. And they had these massive reusable bags, not like this, no. It was just one design that I saw, and when I showed it to everybody, she messaged me and she said, oh, we've got some really fun prints here. So for my birthday, she sent me a number of these, and these are massive. Like, Dior Book Tote is nothing in comparison to this, and like, look at this. Look at this capacity. Like, these are like $3 each, and there's like a zipper so you can zip it shut, and it's like the ultimate reusable bag because look, I can fit in shopping bags easily. So I'm gonna open this up and pull out a massive shopping bag, and it's just nice because it just fits everything. So in here I also have a little shopping bag from Dior, but this is nice, like, because imagine, like, I mean, we live in a day and age where you have to be careful where you go, and if you are carrying anything, like, let's say you're walking out of a nice store, I mean, you can get followed. Like, you can get followed, and I mean, you know, there's that aspect. So it's nice to have your, you know, nice shopping bags concealed in something like this. Also, sometimes, you know, it's raining or it's snowing out and everything is nice and protected in there. But I think it's just easy. Like, you can keep it in the trunk of your car and you can just put everything inside and just carry it inside your house. So I really like that. I really like this. I think this was amazing. This would have been amazing for travel when I was traveling. So yes, I had everything actually. I have a lot of shopping bags that are stored in these bags, just, you know, to be out of sight and well organized. But let's get straight into it. I have a small item to show you first, and I revealed this earlier, but this is actually a gift I received, so which is really nice. I think this is for the 22 C cruise collection, and it has holiday packaging. So you've got the camellia there, and this is like a fabric camellia, really nice. You could wear it if you like. And then there's, put a pin on it or something, and then this is the ribbon. So really nice packaging this time around. And this is actually a silk item, and it's a scarf. So this is black and white, and I love black and white. You guys know that is sometimes my uniform, but look, I just want you to get the impact of this scarf. I did a reveal of this already, but not on YouTube, and let me show you how special this is. I don't know if you can see that. You can see that? So it's like a pop art image of Coco Chanel. Isn't that neat? Really nice. You can definitely wear it if you like, but I think I'm going to frame this. I really am. This is how it looks. You know, it's black and white, but I honestly think I'm going to frame it. I think it will look so nice framed on a wall. Some people frame them as scarves, but you know, this is my only square scarf from Chanel, and I think it is super pretty, very classic, and just I love the image on it. Stunning, stunning piece. I will try to get the item code for this, so I'll ask a sales associate to look it up, and then that way I can give you the information in case you're looking for the same item. But I'm gonna fold this away. I'm not really planning on wearing it, but I'm gonna frame it and look at it and enjoy it. In here is, oh, this is the Christmas card that you get. So I did receive a couple of these from different sales associates, but this is kind of nice because look at it, it's embroidered. If you look closely, there's gold thread embroidered throughout there. And even here, I actually didn't notice this at first, I just thought it was all glitter, but this is all embroidered, which is really, really nice. And then inside, you know, there's a white paper where you'll get a message written on there, and then here on the other side it says Chanel wishes you a happy new year. So it doesn't really say Merry Christmas, but you know, you get the idea. And then inside is black. So if you wanted to repurpose this card, you could put your own white paper and give it to somebody. I think they'd really, really appreciate that. But so that's the holiday card this year. So that's really, really nice. I also received from my beauty sales associate a notebook, so which is really nice. So it's got like a little elastic on it. Here it just says Chanel Beauty on it, and then inside you've got lined pages, which is really nice. It's nice to have little notebooks like this in your purse to jot down anything in. And yeah, that's about it in terms of little gifts. And then here, this is something I wanted to unbox. This is actually a purchase that I did a while ago, and I haven't opened it because I wanted to unbox it for you guys on video. But this is a ready-to-wear piece, and this is from the Coco Neige collection for 2021. And I remember looking through the images of when the collection was to be pre-ordered, and I didn't really, you know, it's different when you see things in photos versus in person, and I didn't really pay attention to it. But one of my friends bought this piece, and when it came in, she showed it to me, and I was like, wow, that's actually really nice. And so I didn't think to ask about it again, but then I saw it hanging in the boutique, and I was like, oh, can I try it on? And I tried it on. It looked really nice. It was really warm. And then I went, as you know, I went to Paris, and I thought, okay, maybe I'll find it there, because they didn't have my size here. When I went there, it was all sold out. Like, they didn't have anything from the collection left. So when I came back, I asked about it, and the boutique, they didn't have my size. They didn't have the piece at all. But they did have it at a boutique a couple of minutes away. So I went over there and I picked it up. They had my size, luckily, and it was great. I picked it up. So I thought I'd show it to you. They didn't put it in the dust bag, but I think this bag is going to be kind of small for the item. But this is the garment bag. It has a zipper on it, right? And then you've got perforations here to let air through. And wrapped in tissue paper. And it's a knit item. So let's see what it looks like. So it's really nice. It's got camellias all over it. And in terms of logo, there's only like really one CC there and one like here somewhere by the pocket. And actually they're everywhere, but you can't really tell. So on the back. And then the buttons do have a logo right there. And it's not a hoodie, but it's kind of like a a big collar. Now somebody apparently was having it taken off. The sales associate was telling me that they bought the jacket and they had the, no, it was in Paris. Yeah, someone in, when I was speaking to them, they're like, yes, a lady bought it and she had this collar, which you see here on the sides, comes up, but you can, you roll it down. And she was having it taken off, so I mean, I guess it would look nice, but I don't know why. I would keep it, but anyway, because it's really warm. This is the item code if anybody's interested. And it's got pockets on the front. I'll also model it. And then you also have like this bit here that kind of keeps it closed. It's a strip of the material and then it's buttoned on both sides. So you can unbutton either side if you want to open it up. So, and this is the inside. So it's not lined. It's just knitted. And then material. This is made in Italy and I've got a size 38 because that's my true size. And this is 69% wool and 31% polyamide. So I'm going to try this on for you and do like a cutaway, but I'm really excited for it's actually really warm. Like it's a nice thick material. You can wear it casually. This is like a fancier version of my Walmart sweater that I sometimes wear, but I really like it. It's great for work, great for just casual, just when you want to be cozy and casual. It's really flattering and it's like a classic looking, it's got a nice classic look to it. So really, really nice. So there's that piece there. It also comes with a hanger, although I don't think I'll be hanging a knit jacket. I think I'll be folding it away. Another item, and I mentioned this before. So this is wrapped in plastic because it was raining when I purchased it, which is kind of nice. So you can just put it over your shopping bag. Just want to show you the Dior packaging. I don't have a star for this one. I did receive a star for some of the ready-to-wear pieces that I purchased before, so I've saved that star. It's a beautiful gold star. It's kind of matte, more of like an aged gold finish. But this is the beautiful packaging here. Really, really stunning. And Dior actually really hits it home with their packaging every year, which is why I think a lot of their pieces make really great gifts if you want to give somebody something special. So this is a gift for someone, and I've thought that, you know, it's really, really nice. So this would make a really nice gift for somebody. Tissue that's folded there. And this is like under $100, so I'm just saying, okay? It's a really, really pretty presentation you're getting. Look at this box. Like, how stunning is the box? Like, I would repurpose this box. It's really, really beautiful. And so I honestly think if you can definitely get smaller items at Dior and get beautiful packaging in the Christmas time. Like, so you can, anybody would love to receive, oh, didn't want to lose, anyone would love to receive this as a gift. I'm really gonna repurpose this. I really am. I'm gonna, I don't know, I'll do something with it. I can't throw this box away. But here, nicely packaged. And let's undo this. You probably put like little photographs. You can probably put like greeting cards that you've received. Have like a little keepsake box, whatever. But you've got 2 tins here. So this is tea. And I was really, really shocked because I didn't know that they did this, but they have like a home section, so you can buy like cups, you can buy plates, and they're really, really pretty. You can buy candles, and I think the candles are quite reasonably priced as well. I think they're around like $70. The tea is about $50. And this is an herbal tea. So this is lemongrass, fennel, and ginger. Bonne Etoile. And it's 50 grams of tea. So you've got a little tin there, and then another tin. This is actually a black tea, so this is flavored black tea, vanilla and mallow. So I'm really loving teas. And you have a little tin there, so if you wanted to repurpose the tin, you can use it for like makeup brushes and such. or you can put other items inside. And I think this makes a really, really good gift for anybody. I think this is for the holidays, but if you really, I think they still have this Christmas packaging. So if you are looking for a gift to give somebody, I think this makes an amazing gift. And I mean, it's not something people really buy for themselves, but just the packaging, the presentation, and you get beautiful reusable tins and some tea for anybody who loves their tea. So they only had 2 flavors there, so I bought both of them. But I do hope that they bring out more. I think it will be nice, and I'll try these out and let you know how I feel, because I do love tea. And so I bought one. This is for myself, and I did buy an additional one as a gift for somebody, and not for Christmas, but for a future occasion. I'll be giving it to her. So, and I like to do that whenever I find something nice. I do plan ahead. I plan my gifts ahead, and sometimes you give things just cause, right? So to show appreciation for anyone, it's nice to give them a little something, and you know, makes them really happy. So there's that from Dior. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing video and that it was somewhat informative to anybody who gets any information from it. The Coco Neige collection is kind of like a capsule collection for Chanel that they release every year. They do have items like ready-to-wear items. They have like special like ski boots and things like that, really meant for like the skiing activity. I don't ski. I'm not a very good skier, but I do live in Canada and it does get cold, so some of those items are useful and purposeful to me. But I really like that sweater, and my friend actually pointed it out to me, and it looks amazing on my friend, so pricing was reasonable on it as well, so for a ready-to-wear piece. I will see you in my next video. Bye.